UKG science teacher of the Government High School, Dabegata, Madhuri Tower. Dear students, in this video class, we are going to discuss about a chapter of the class 10 science. The name of the chapter is Acids, Bases and Salts. Students, this chapter is very important for us because in our daily life, we are using so many acids, bases and salts. This is very necessary to understand more information about the same topic. I am very sure in the class 7, when you are studying the class 7, you have studied the same chapter. It's better to recall what did you discuss in your earlier class of class 7. Dear students, can you give example for acids? Can you recall the names of examples for the acids? Yes, you are right. Your guessing is correct. The important acids are, the example for acids are, number 1 is the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Next, the second example, yes, you are right, that is the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. The third example is, that is nitric acid. Nitric acid. At the same time, that is the carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. Later, the phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. We have some more examples for the same acids. That is, it may be the, I write here, it may be the lactic acid. Lactic acid. It may be the tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. It may be the oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. Citric acid. Citric acid. Formic acid. Like that, there are so many examples for the acids. Dear students, can you recall the molecular formula for these acids? I am very sure in the class 7 you have learned some important molecular formula of some acids. For hydrochloric acid, your answer is correct, that is hydrochloric acid, HCl. For sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. For nitric acid, that is HNO3. For carbonic acid, that is H2CO3. For the phosphoric acid, that is the H3PO4. H3PO4. In the same way, it is possible to write the molecular formula for the lactic acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid and citric acid. The formula of these acids are somewhat more complex. But for an example, for the lactic acid, that is C3H6O3. C3H6O3. So this is the molecular formula for the lactic acid. Dear students, in the same way, with the help of the Google, try to find the molecular formula for the tartaric acid, oxalic acid, citric acid, formic acid, like that. So, dear students, these are all some important examples for the acids. So, now let's recall what are the important general properties of the acids. Can you recall what are the important general properties of the acids? I think we have tasted the taste of the lemon. How do you feel? What is the taste of the lemon? So what is the taste of the, that is the tartaric nut? Or what is the taste of the orange? Or what is the taste of the, that is the buttermilk or the curds? No doubt your guessing is correct. Generally the taste of the acids is they are sour in taste. Dear students, now let's discuss about some important general properties of the acids. The general properties of the acids. butter milk, majige, taste. The taste of the lemon, they are sour. Dear students, the first property of the acids, it is generally they are sour in taste. Sour in taste. The second important property of the acids, it is they turn the color of the blue litmus into the red color. That means the acids turn the color of the blue litmus into the red color. At the same time, the other important properties of the acids, generally the acids are corrosive. Students, what is the meaning of corrosive? That means the acids are generally very reactive. Whenever the acids react with the metals, they give the color, they decrease the strength of the metal. It makes a weakening of the metal, that is called as the corrosive nature of the acids. At the same time, there is another important property of the acids, that means the acids contain or they produce the H plus ions. Students, this is very basic property of the acids, that means acids contains the H plus ions. The next important property E is of the acids. They are the acids are the good electrolytes. Good electrolytes. Electrolyte means they are the solutions, aqueous solutions which can conduct the electricity. So generally the acids are the good electrolytes. They can conduct the electricity in the solution state. The next important property of the acids, it is they are soluble in water. They are soluble in water. Students, so these are all some important general properties of the acids. Number one, they are sour in taste, huli ruchi irutte. Next, the acids turn blue litmus paper into the red color. The next is acids are corrosive in nature. They are reactive. They readily react with the metals to change their color. They can decrease the strength of the metals like that. Later, the acids produces the H plus ions in the aqueous condition. Also, the acids are the good electrolytes. They behave as to conduct the electricity through them. Later, the acids are soluble in water. So, students, we have to copy down these points. So, these are about some general information about the acids. In next video, we are going to discuss about the general properties of the bases. Thank you, students.